Hi, Paul here from Pricewise, and today I'm at a good friend's house to check their insulation. A lot of older homes in Australia don't have enough insulation, so today I'm going to show you how you can do a 5-minute insulation health check to get it ready for winter. Let's start by looking at the floor. Alright, we're under the floor now, and as you can see there is no floor insulation in this place. Since homes lose approximately 20% of their heat through the floor, insulating this place will make a huge difference to the comfort of their home. We're going to notice that there's less drafts, the floor will stay warmer underfoot, and the general comfort of the home will increase. So the first thing we're going to check is the depth of the floor joists. In this particular house, the floor joists are 240mm deep, so plenty of space for all our underfloor products. The next thing we want to check is the distance between the floor joists, which in this house is 450mm apart, which is a very standard size and means that we've got a great range of products that we can install here. Some of those products include the Earthwool FloorShield, we've got the Bradford Optimo, the Autex Polyester range, and a few rigid products as well, such as the Expol and Foilboard. If you need more information, feel free to reach out to us at pricewise.com.au and we'll be more than happy to help.